On August 12th, 2026, a total solar eclipse is going to cross Greenland, Iceland, and northern Spain. And a huge stretch of the path goes right over the ocean, the open ocean. That means a cruise ship can literally reposition itself to give you the best possible view. There's no traffic, there's no crowds, no buildings in the way, just you, the ocean, and the moon blocking out the sun. This is a bucket list event, folks, and the cruise line knows it. Princess, Holland, America, Royal Caribbean, they've all got eclipse position sailings, but not all of them are created equal. And if you book the wrong one, you might end up watching from a port instead of the path to Totality. Today I'm showing you how to pick the right sailing, avoid the traps, and see this thing the way it was meant to be seen.
The path of Totality. That's the narrow band where you see the full eclipse, where the sun goes completely dark. Crosses from Greenland down through Iceland and ends in northern Spain around sunset. If you're outside that path, you get partial eclipse. Nice, but not the same thing. Not even close. The key advantage of a cruise ship is that the captain can adjust the ship's position on eclipse day and get you into the path of Totality, even if weather conditions aren't perfect at the original coordinates. A ship can move. A hotel obviously can't. That's the whole selling point. Princess Cruises has their Sky Princess positioned for the eclipse. They've actually added a third eclipse voyage for this year. Holland America has Eclipse cruises with onboard astronomy experts, which is exactly the kind of enrichment programming they do so very well. Royal Caribbean also has a solar eclipse sailing on the calendar. When you're comparing these, here's what to ask. First, is the ship actually going to be in the path of Totality on August 12th? Or is this just eclipse themed with a partial viewing? Read the itinerary carefully. You want a sea day on August 12th, where the captain has flexibility to position the ship. Second, what's the onboard programming? The best eclipse cruises will have astronomers, special viewing events, safety glasses provided, and dedicated viewing areas. If the cruise line isn't advertising all of that, it's probably an afterthought. Third, deck crowding. On eclipse day, every single passenger is going to want to be outside on the top deck at the same time. On a ship with 3,000 passengers, that's going to be tight. Ask about designated viewing areas. Ask about seating. If you have mobility concerns, you need to know that there's a place for you that isn't standing room only in a crowd. Now here's the thing. These sailings are filling up. The 2024 total eclipse in North America proved that eclipse cruises sell out fast, and the cruise lines learned from that. Prices go up as cabins disappear. If you're serious about this, do not wait until summer. Book now in April. Get your cabin locked in. If the line offers a price drop guarantee or best price guarantee, even better. You're protected if the rate goes down later. Location-wise, you've got two choices. The Iceland and Greenland sailings put you in the path earlier in the day, but the weather is much less predictable. The Spain sailing gives you the eclipse closer to sunset, which is dramatic, and the weather is generally better. Personally, I'd lean towards Spain, positioning for better weather odds, but both options are spectacular.
You cannot look directly at a solar eclipse without certified eclipse glasses. Period. I don't care how old you are or how tough you think you are, you will damage your eyes permanently. The good eclipse cruise will provide glasses. If yours doesn't provide the glasses, buy certified ISO 12312-2 glasses before you leave home. Do not trust random glasses from a street vendor. For seniors, plan your eclipse day positioning early. Scope out the deck before it happens. Find your spot. Bring a hat. Bring some sunscreen and water. You might be outside for a couple of hours waiting for Totality. If you use a wheelchair or a scooter, talk to guest services in advance about accessible viewing areas. And of course, grab my 48-hour pre-cruise checklist. QR code on the screen. This is a once-in-a-lifetime cruise, and you want to make sure you don't forget anything in the excitement. Scan that code, and you're set. This is going to be incredible, folks. I've seen some amazing things on cruise ships, and Eclipse from the middle of the ocean, pretty much top them, don't you think? So don't miss it. And call me, 689-229-9724. Take care, be safe, don't look at the sun, and bon voyage.